Imagine a serene island paradise where crystal clear waters meet lush forests and vibrant landscapes. Now picture this paradise consumed by an unrelenting inferno, a raging wildfire that defies imagination. Welcome to Burning Paradise, Maui's Wildfire. In this gripping journey, we delve deep into the heart of a natural catastrophe that shook this idyllic Hawaiian haven to its core. Brace yourself for an exploration of devastation, resilience, and the relentless fight to restore what was lost. In a world where nature's beauty often takes center stage, the destructive force of wildfires can be both awe-inspiring and horrifying. Maui, known for its stunning scenery and rich biodiversity, experienced a cataclysmic event that forever changed its landscape. Burning Paradise unravels the tale of a once pristine Eden engulfed in flames, exploring the immense challenges faced by the island's inhabitants and the heroic efforts to reclaim what was lost. The problem at hand is an elemental force that has plagued regions around the world: wildfires. With climate change exacerbating natural phenomena, the threat of uncontrolled fires looms larger than ever. In the case of Maui, the paradise that residents and visitors cherish suddenly became a smoldering battleground. This isn't just a story of destruction. It's a testament to human resilience and unity. Witness the extraordinary efforts that emerged in the face of disaster as communities rallied together to combat the inferno and rejuvenate their beloved Maui. Get ready to delve into 25 intriguing facts that shed light on the harrowing event, the valiant response, and the ongoing journey toward restoration. Fact 1. Firestorm origins. The spark that ignited Maui's wildfire originated innocuously, a reminder of how swiftly nature's whims can transform into an uncontrollable firestorm. As a seemingly harmless brush fire escalated, it merged with other fires, creating an explosive cocktail that raged out of control. Fact 2. The island's heart engulfed. The fire's path carved a devastating swath through Maui's heartland, engulfing everything in its path. Lush forests, scenic trails, and vibrant communities, leaving behind a charred and haunting landscape. Fact 3. Battling the inferno. Fighting nature's fury required unparalleled determination. Firefighters and volunteers from across the island came together, forming a united front against the encroaching flames. The battle was as much a test of physical prowess as it was a showcase of indomitable human spirit. Fact 4. Unyielding weather challenges. Maui's wildfire faced a formidable adversary: the island's own climate. Unpredictable winds, drought conditions, and high temperatures conspired to fan the flames, presenting firefighters with an ever-shifting battlefield. Fact 5. Aerial assault on flames. In a dramatic display of aerial precision, water-dropping helicopters and tanker planes swooped down upon the inferno, dousing the flames from above. The spectacle was both breathtaking and surreal, a testament to human ingenuity. Fact 6. Evacuation odyssey. Communities faced an agonizing choice: evacuate or stand their ground. Families rushed to safety, while others joined the fight to protect their homes, creating a tapestry of heroism and sacrifice. Fact 7. Wildlife exodus. As flames devoured their habitats, Maui's wildlife embarked on an exodus of survival. Species ranging from humble insects to majestic birds embarked on a perilous journey to find safety in unburned regions. Fact 8. Ecosystem devastation. The fire's aftermath revealed a staggering ecological toll. In its wake, native plant species struggled to re-establish, and vital habitats were reduced to ashes, underscoring the delicate balance of nature. Fact 9. Ash and desolation. The once vibrant landscapes of Maui now lay in ruin, a surreal tableau of blackened trees and scorched earth. The stark contrast between pre-fire and post-fire scenes served as a haunting reminder of the blaze's ferocity. Fact 10. Community resilience. Amidst the devastation, a heartwarming spirit of unity emerged. Community members banded together, offering shelter, supplies, and emotional support to those affected by the disaster. Fact 11. Environmental rebirth. Nature's resilience knows no bounds. Slowly but surely, signs of rebirth emerged as green shoots pierced through the ash-covered ground, a testament to the ecosystem's determination to recover. Fact 12. Healing the land. Rehabilitation efforts gained momentum as volunteers and organizations collaborated to restore Maui's scarred terrain. Reforestation projects, soil enrichment, and erosion control initiatives became cornerstones of the recovery process. Fact 13. Impact on tourism. Maui's wildfire dealt a blow to its tourism industry, as iconic attractions and scenic vistas were temporarily marred by the fire's aftermath. The island's resilience in the face of adversity, however, fostered a renewed sense of camaraderie among tourists and locals alike. Fact 14. Cultural significance. For Maui's indigenous communities, the fire held cultural significance beyond its physical impact. Sacred sites were threatened, prompting a renewed commitment to preserving ancestral heritage and knowledge. Fact 15. Science of fire management. Understanding the science behind wildfires proved crucial in managing and preventing future catastrophes. Experts delved into fire behavior, weather patterns, and land management practices to develop strategies for mitigation. Fact 16. Future-proofing paradise. The fire served as a wake-up call for Maui and its residents. Fire-resistant landscaping, defensible space practices, and community awareness campaigns emerged as tools to safeguard the island against future blazes. Fact 17. Lessons in preparedness. Preparedness became paramount as communities fortified themselves against future fire threats. Emergency plans, evacuation procedures, and communication networks were streamlined to ensure a swift and coordinated response. Fact 18. Innovations in firefighting. The Maui fire prompted innovation in firefighting technology. Drones equipped with infrared cameras, eye-driven fire prediction models, and advanced fire retardant materials revolutionized the battle against flames. Fact 19. Resurgence of flora and fauna. Nature's tenacity began to bear fruit as flora and fauna gradually reclaimed the scorched land. The return of bird songs and the emergence of vibrant blooms signaled a symbolic victory over adversity. Fact 20. Resilience and renewal. Burning paradise. Maui's wildfire serves as a poignant reminder of the island's resilience and its ability to rise from the ashes. A phoenix-like transformation unfolds as nature heals, communities unite, and life finds a way to flourish once more. From devastation to determination, burning paradise. Maui's wildfire encapsulates a story of tragedy and triumph. The courage of firefighters, the solidarity of communities, and the regenerative power of nature reveal a narrative of hope, reminding us that even in the face of nature's fury, the human spirit prevails. Join us on this journey of rediscovery as we witness the rebirth of a paradise more vibrant and resilient than ever before.